We all have that thing inside. You can keep it chained, but I say smash the lock and set it free. That's a brotherhood of muscle.
I have scoured the Tokyo Motor Show for the 5 coolest things at this year's show, and number 5 on my list is the Concept I family of vehicles. Artificial intelligence will be in every vehicle of our future. Vehicles in the iConcept family will be able to tell if the driver is irritated, happy, or sad, and be able to converse and assist him or her with their needs, like finding a restaurant for a date. 3 vehicles make up the Concept I family: the original I, the I Ride for 2 people and disabled passengers, and the iWalk. Fans of the original Mazda RX have been begging for its return, and my number 2 on the coolest cars at this year's Tokyo Motor Show is the Mazda Vision Coupe concept. It looks like a cool RX reborn, but with 4 doors. What's under the hood? Well, we have no idea, but the fact that it has 4 exhausts suggests it has a powerful gas engine, which will add to the zoom driving. My number 3 on the coolest list is the IMX, introduced by Nissan, an electric family SUV. Now, the cool thing about this brand new IMX from Nissan is the fact that it projects what's on the outside to what's on the inside of the car. These screens along here that continue along the dash will show you what's outside the vehicles via 12 cameras. So for instance, if a dog runs out in front of you while you're driving, you'll see it on the screens here before you might see it physically. And then if you want, you can fold away the steering wheel, the pedals, and recline the seats, and just let the car do all the work. Number 2 on the coolest lists is an introduction by Subaru called the Visiv Performance Concept. Again, it's a concept, but suggests what a new WRX from Subaru might look like. But the number 1 coolest car at the Tokyo Motor Show for 2017 is the TJ Cruiser. Toyota have been very open that they will only build this car if it's well received. It was developed in response to the SUV boom in America for the on-the-go consumer who wants a long-lasting product for the outdoor activities and for work activities. The TJ is a combination of a van and an SUV on a hybrid platform, and I'd buy one. The dogs would love it. From the Tokyo Motor Show, I'm Nick Miles for Fox 5 Morning News.